Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are safe and good at your home. A warm welcome to you in mathematics class. This video is for class 2, subject mathematics, topic money, page number 95 to 97, and this video is prepared by Alka Sharma. Welcome back students to your maths class. Last class we have completed division of page number 87 to 94 of your book. I hope that is clear to all of you. In this video we will start new topic, that is money. I hope you all are ready with your book, pencil and eraser. So let's start. Page number 95, money. Children, we need money to buy things. Money comes in the form of coins and notes. A coin is a small, flat, round piece of metal. Coin up to 50 paise are called small coin, and coins of rupee 1 and above are called rupee coins. Notes are paper money. Coins are metal money and notes are paper money. Some Indian coins: 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees coin. Some Indian notes: 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note. This is the symbol of rupees. This is the symbol of Indian rupees. This one. This is the symbol of Indian rupees. 100 rupees note, 200 rupees note, 500 rupees note. Children, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 50 paise plus 50 paise, 100 paise. 2 rupees is equal to 1 rupee plus 1 rupee, 2 rupees. Or 50 paise plus 50 paise, 100 paise. 50 paise plus 50 paise, 100 paise. 100 paise plus 100 paise, 200 paise. 2 rupees is equal to 200 paise. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. 100 rupees note is equal to 50 rupees note plus 50 rupees note. 50 rupees plus 50 rupees, 100 rupees. Page number 96. Do and learn. Aim to learn how to change money. Things needed: cards or strips of paper, pencil. Do and learn. Draw common coins and notes on the cards. You have to draw coins and notes on the cards. Make at least 4 cards for each type of coin or note. If you are making 50 paise coin card, it should be at least four cards. Okay, so 4 cards of 50 paise coin, 4 cards of 1 rupees coin, 4 cards of 2 rupees coin, 4 cards of 5 rupees coin, 4 cards of 10 rupees coin, 4 cards of 20 rupees coin, 4 cards of 50 rupees coin, 4 cards of 100 rupees coin, 4 cards of 200 rupees coin, 4 cards of 500 rupees coin. And when you will make the cards, ask your friend to choose a coin or a note and give the money to you. You will try to change the money with coin or notes of lesser value. You will change the money means if he is giving you 100 rupees note, so you will change that in 50 rupees, 50 rupees, 250 rupees note or 520 rupees note, like this. Can you change the money in more than one way? Write down how you change the money. Some ways of changing a 2 rupees coin are shown below. यहाँ आपको 2 rupees coin को आप कैसे कैसे चेंज कर सकते हैं वो बताया है. 2 rupees is equal to 1 rupee plus 1 rupee. 2 1 rupee coin. 2 rupees is equal to 1 rupee or 50 paise 50 paise. 250 paise coin 100 paise or 1 rupee 100 paise 200 paise means 2 rupees. 2 rupees is equal to 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise. So you can exchange this 2 rupee coin by 3 method, 3 way. 2 rupees, 1 rupee plus 1 rupee. 2 rupees, 1 rupees plus 50 paise plus 50 paise. 2 rupees, 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise. Okay. Money math. Money maths, page number 97. Tick to change money. Here money has given and you have to change. 20 rupees note is there and you have to change this money in coin. So 10 rupees coin and 10 rupees coin, 20 rupees. So 20 rupees and 20 rupees. 5 rupees coin is there. Here 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 2 rupees. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. 5 rupees coin. 10 rupees. 5 rupees. 1 rupees, 6 rupees. 7, 8 rupees. 9, 10 rupees. 10 rupees coin. 20 rupees note is there and here you have to change it into coins. 10 rupees, 5 rupees. 10 plus 5, 15 and 5 rupees. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 rupees. 20 rupees, 20 rupees. 2 rupees. 50 paise, 50 paise. 1 rupees and 1 rupees. 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 1 rupee. So 2 rupees. Note. 50 rupees. 50 rupees. 20 rupees. 20 rupees. 40 rupees plus 10 rupees. 50 rupees. 200 rupees. 100 rupees plus 100 rupees. 200 rupees. 100 rupees. 50 rupees plus 20 rupees. 50 plus 20, 70. 70 rupees plus 20 rupees. 70 plus 20, 90 rupees. And 10, 100 rupees. So 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 100 rupees. Children, I hope you all have understood the chapter properly. Do and enjoy the activity at home with your siblings and friends. Complete page number 97 in your book neatly. See you in next class. Bye bye.